Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making lemon garlic roast chicken. Here's what you'll need: a whole chicken, fresh lemons, garlic cloves, olive oil, fresh rosemary, salt and pepper. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 360 degrees. Next, take your chicken and pat it dry with paper towels. This helps ensure that our chicken gets that perfect, crispy skin. Now, let's season it generously. Sprinkle salt and pepper inside the cavity of the chicken. Stuff the cavity with fresh lemon halves and some fragrant rosemary. Drizzle olive oil over the chicken, then rub it all over. Don't forget to add minced garlic and some lemon zest for that extra punch of flavor. Now, place your beautifully seasoned chicken into a roasting pan and pop it into the preheated oven. Roast it for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. And there you have it, a beautifully roasted lemon garlic roast chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.